Do you feel difficult to wake your children up in the morning? Even for you, have you ever experienced that you set the alarm for a certain time in the morning, but when alarm wants to wake you up, you say, shut up, let me sleep for 10 more minutes, and then you go for sleep for more time? Sometimes, even after waking up, we feel tired. Sometimes we feel tired throughout the day and want to sleep more. Do you know why all this happens to us? Because we are not able to meet quality of sleep. What do I mean when I say we are not able to meet quality of sleep? Let's have a quick capsule of science behind the sleep. When we sleep, there are 4 to 5 cycles of 90 to 110 minutes. Now in each cycle, there are 5 stages. In third stage, our mind should go to deeper states of sleep, which is delta state. Many a times when we are not able to go in deeper sleep states in third stage, then our sleep quality is not met and we feel tired throughout the day or after waking up. And why does it happen to us that we are not able to meet the required quality of sleep? Because our mind remains so much active. What happened today? What is the plan for tomorrow? Top of it, we may have some heated discussion with family members, and even in the sleep, our mind keeps working. Now, how to ensure quality of sleep for our children? We can do 3 things. First, proper sleep habit is very important. Train them to brush their teeth regularly. If weather permits, they can have bath, or they can just clean up their bodies and change the clothes. Second, you can include few positive affirmations. Both of you sit with your eyes closed and you can say few positive things like both of us are very calm, very focused, we know what to do, and all these positive sentences you can add. That relaxes the child's mind. You can even include heartfulness relaxation as we shared in the last video. Heartfulness relaxation is so potential that within 5 minutes, your child's body and mind will be completely relaxed. Third, whenever you wake them up in the morning, don't wake them up abruptly. Build this habit of waking them up very calmly, lovingly, in a very subtle way. Slowly, they will understand that that is your way of waking them up and they will wake up just with your gentle touch. We have created few more videos to ensure good sleep for your child. You can find the link in the description. Not only this, we have created a WhatsApp group of parents in which we regularly keep sending few things. You can join the group with the link in the description below. We also keep conducting webinars every Saturday 7:30 p.m. IST. You can register for this week's webinar with the link in the description. Please share this video with your friends and family members if you have liked it. Subscribe to the channel and please share in the comment section what kind of videos would you like to bring us for you in future.